everybody, Steve here. We're here at Rabbit Ridge this morning, and the father-in-law and his good friend Clinton are over here, and they're gonna get a tree, 3 or 4 piece tree, about that diameter, split a couple years ago, and it went different directions, and it had some really good wood for the sawmill and possibly firewood, whatever, and they're gonna try to get it out of there. It's been kind of a tough spot, but we're going to take some shots of the chainsaw action, logging and dragging it out, and then ultimately going to the sawmill. So I thought you'd enjoy watching some of that. So come on along on this episode of Rabbit Ridge Living. Think we got the chain stuck already? Can't tell. A lot of leverage going on here, and forces the way this tree split, hanging every different direction, and nothing too clean cut. You know, this makes me feel better. Things never start. Beautiful. Laid nicely on another log. get a pretty good look at the tree right here where it's split. 3 big trees. Swampwood is really wet, usually sink in, but we'll see. The water started drying up this year. Boom! Nice. Great job getting that first section of trees down. Got it cut up, and one of the chainsaws failed, but still got the big stuff cut up, and you've seen the pile getting ready to take the first load out and on that hill, which is a little tricky, so you might have seen some of those logs rolled when they cut it. But everything's going as planned, and should have some decent lumber for the sawmill. So. thank these guys for helping out and getting some wood out of here. Debbie has her way. We'll have this whole woods chopped down and it'll be all grass. But they know that too, you know. That's just his fault. But I just want to thank him for doing that here in this balmy January day. No wind at least, and the weather's pretty good for this. So we thank him for that. And I also wanted to welcome Clinton to our area. He's been here for a while, but he's newly retired from the Chicago Police Department. What, January 1st?
January 2nd.
January 2nd, after how many years?
24.
24 years of service.
24.
So thank you for that too.
Thank you. Thank you.
And your military service, I think, right? So,
something like that.
All right, good deal. Look forward to your new adventures in the area, and looking forward to see what you end up doing.
I love it. Sure beats the city.
Good deal. All right, that's it for this episode of Rabbit Ridge Living. Thanks for watching.
You betcha.
See ya.
Thanks, guys.